Hi guys, it's Mimi. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I was tagged by my friend Corn. Her channel is Cornflower Crafts. I'm going to link her down below. And she tagged me to do the Dollar Tree Addict tag, I think it's called. So I'm really excited to do this. There's 10 questions, so I'm just going to go ahead and answer those 10 questions. But first, I'm going to tag another YouTuber, which is my other friend, PinkZebra The UnicornCrafter is her YouTube channel. I'm going to link her down below also, so hopefully she'll do it. I'm excited to see your answers, girl, because she's in Canada, actually, so her Dollar Tree is a little different, so it'll be fun to see what she likes to get. I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. The first question is, how often do you go to the Dollar Tree? I am actually not like an addict to the Dollar Tree. I do like the Dollar Tree a lot, but I usually only go like probably once every other week or so. I haven't been in a while because I'm on a no spend for like my crafting, and every time I go into the Dollar Tree I have to buy something crafty. But I did just go in, I think 3 or 4 days ago, and I didn't get anything crafty, so that was good. I just got some supplies for a project we're doing at school. But, yeah, like every other week, I would say I stop in. The next question is, what is your #1 favorite item to purchase? And this is a hard one for me, but I think the answer would be the stickers. I have a lot of their stickers. This set's my favorite. My friend actually just got them for me, and it was so cute because I love wiener dogs so much. But yeah, I think the stickers would be my favorite item to get because they're really nice, really fun, and they're thick too, so that's cool. The third question is, what day does your Dollar Tree get its inventory? I don't actually know this question for sure. I think it's either Tuesday or Thursday for some reason, I want to say. Like, I feel like I've been in there on a Tuesday and it's been crazy. But Thursday it could also be because it starts with a T and that's how my brain works. So, I don't know. It's either Tuesday or Thursday, I think. The next question is, do you shop at the Dollar Tree more than Walmart or Target? Definitely not more than Walmart. I'm in Walmart at least like probably 2 or 3 times a week because I'll go in and just get myself something. I have some time in between classes, so I have like an hour just to kind of kill, and so I will run in there and get myself stuff, just look around. I'll go in there and I'll get my Nana things. So no, definitely not more than Walmart, and not I do shop there more than Target though, because Target's a far away from me, so Dollar Tree's like right in town, so I do shop there more than Target. The next question is, what's the longest you have gone without shopping at the Dollar Tree? And I'd say probably like a month, I would say, I guess. Like, I go in there pretty often, but I'm not like a super addict like some other people, so probably about a month. The next question is, do you shop at more than one Dollar Tree? And yes, but no. Like, I don't shop at more than one Dollar Tree regularly. Like, I don't go in and like search stores looking for things. Like, if my dollar store in where like close to where I live doesn't have something, then I'll kind of just forget about it and I don't need to go around looking for it. But if I'm in like near the mall or something and there's a Dollar Tree, I'll stop there and I'll look in there if I have time or if we're going there. But not on a regular basis. No, I don't. I only shop at one Dollar Tree. The next question is, do you wear makeup from the Dollar Tree? And yes and no. Like, I don't buy makeup from the Dollar Tree anymore, really, because I'm trying to, like, I haven't bought makeup in a while because I'm kind of going, like, cruelty-free and, like, all natural, kind of. Like, I'm trying to start, like, not all the way, but I'm getting there. So I do like the e.l.f. products they have, and I do like their nail polish. So I buy, like, e.l.f. products and nail polish from there, and then I do like some of the beauty items, not necessarily things you like actually put on your skin, but like the like gloves that you use to like wash yourself. I like those. And then they used to have these little like round iPad things that I liked that you like took off your makeup with, so I do like that kind of stuff. The next question is, do you have a favorite food item at the Dollar Tree? And no, I don't really, like, I don't purposely go to the Dollar Tree to buy food. But if I did, like, the Ritz crackers, like, they're not Dollar Tree specific, but those Ritz crackers with the cheese in them, I like those a lot. And then gum. I do buy a lot of gum from the Dollar Tree if I'm there, so I do like gum from there. But nothing like that's Dollar Tree brand. And then the next question is, do you know the employees by name? And no, I don't, but I do recognize some of them. I don't know if they recognize me because I'm not in there that often as some other people, but I do recognize some of the Dollar Tree employees. And then the last question is, if you had $10 to spend at the Dollar Tree, what would you spend, or what would you buy? So this is pretty easy. I would buy all crafting items, but I'll show you what I'd get. Number one, I would get sequins. I love the sequins from there. I think they're really pretty, and the selection's pretty good for only $1. So I get some sequins. I like the beads from there that come in these little packages. These are good for shakers also, so I'd get these. I definitely get some packing tape. I like all of them, but lately I haven't had like a good luck finding like the pretty patterns like these ones. I've only been able to find like these in gray, which is kind of boring, so I haven't bought some in a while, but if they had pretty patterns I would definitely get some of those. And I just fell. The next thing I would get is these, like the shred, because I just found out that they had it at the dollar store, so I would definitely pick up some of this because they're really fun to put in packages and embellishment boxes, which leads me to my next item. I would get some embellishment boxes. I like the bigger ones better, but these ones are also really fun to decorate, so I definitely get some embellishment boxes. And then of course I'd get my favorite item, some stickers. And then I would pick up some glue sticks. I don't have the packages for the glue sticks, but I'd get some glue sticks because I have a glue gun that'll take the little ones, so I would definitely get those because that's like a really good deal from the dollar store. And then the last set of items I would pick up would be these gems, pearls, and then the stars. I really like these. It's a good deal for only $1, and they have a lot of good colors usually when I go. So that was what I would get from the dollar store if I had $10. And that is all the questions from the tag. So I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know my Dollar Tree shopping a little bit. And thank you, Corn, for tagging me in this tag, I guess. I was excited when she tagged me because I've never been tagged in one of these, so it's kind of fun. And PinkZebra The UnicornCrafter, I can't wait until you do your video. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.